My name's Ben, and today we've got another fabulous BMW M5 to show you around. This particular car is a 2019 on a 69 registration, and it's finished in Black Sapphire Metallic with a Black Merino leather interior, and it's got a fabulous spec for an M5 as well. Lots of cost options over and above what comes standard on one of these cars. It's also got a full service history, and condition-wise, it is stunning for a car of this age. So hopefully you'll see that as we walk around the car. But we'll start at the front and point out some of the options for you. So the first of which is the headlights. So these are BMW's adaptive LED headlights, so they will turn corners, and they do have automatic high beam assist as well. And you can tell that from the small lines through the middle of the angel eyes there. We've got black kidney grills on this particular car from BMW, genuine BMW black kidney grills, and between those we've got the forward-facing camera for the 3D surround camera system. And then a very big option on this car, at the bottom of the front bumper you'll see a radar. This car has got adaptive cruise control, which is part of the Driving Assistant Plus package that has been fitted to this car. It's also got a comfort package, which is more to do with the interior, and we'll tell you about that as we get around the car. Coming down to the side, we've got the usual M5 wheels, finished in gloss black with the diamond cut surfaces around the front surfaces, and the brake calipers painted in a contrast blue, BMW sort of M blue, so a really nice contrast against the black of the car. Being an M5, you get the small grille on the front wings there as well, and the door mirrors which go across to meet the A-pillars. We've also got blind spot monitoring in the door mirrors, so there's a small triangle in the top left-hand corner which will illuminate orange when somebody is in your blind spot. And then if you have a look inside, you'll see the beautiful quality of these M5s inside. So smooth leather everywhere you look, Alcantara roof lining as standard. These are materials that most manufacturers would charge you thousands to have as cost options, but standard in an M5, such is the quality of these cars. And obviously you've got an exposed carbon fibre roof on one of these, which is standard, but again, a really nice feature. Lets everybody know that it is an M car. Privacy glass to the rear three quarters. Heated rear seats in this car as well, heated front and rear seats. That is also a cost option, and 4-zone climate control. So 2 different temperature settings for the rear passengers if they wish to adjust. Illuminated M5 tread plates in both the front and rear of the car. And then coming down the back, again, because it's an M5, you've got this slightly extended spoiler lip on top of the boot, and we've obviously got quad exhaust pipes finished in black, which is a really nice touch, and a big diffuser section in the centre there. Power tailgate, so if you push the button, the boot will open itself. And it's a very, very big boot because it's a BMW 5 Series, so it's a very, very practical car. Handles at the top here for folding down the middle row seats if you wanted to do so as well. And a reverse camera on the boot there, very useful feature. Coming round the side, we'll jump in the driver's side and talk you through some of the features on the inside. It has got keyless entry and exit as well, so if you've got your key in your pocket, you can just pop the button on the door and it will unlock. And then on the driver's door card here, soft leather across the top and the armrests, and even the centre sections here as well, and the grab handles. It's great quality materials everywhere you look. You've got this sort of aluminium effect carbon fibre throughout the interior of the car as well. Ambient lighting all around the top of there and the dashboard. Again, a really nice place to sit at night time. Harman Kardon surround sound system, so tweeters in the door at top and bottom there. Power folding door mirrors, electric windows, and memory settings for the driver and passenger seat as well. So lots of different options. I'll turn the car on now, and it does have, this particular car is fitted with a ghost immobiliser, so I'll go through that sequence so we can mess about with the gear stick as well. But just extra security, you know, that's a £499 option for anybody that wanted to put one of those on the car. It's already fitted to this particular car. I'll just turn the radio down. We've got highly adjustable electric seats, so you can adjust the bolsters and the side bolsters as well, and even the upper sort of neck section or around your shoulders also tightens around, so very, very highly adjustable seats. An electric steering column which will go forwards, backwards, up and down on a small toggle behind the steering wheel. And the steering wheel itself is 3-spoke, multi-function and heated as well. So there's a button at the bottom here to turn on that heated steering wheel. And then we've got our multimedia controls on the right-hand side and our adaptive cruise control buttons on the left-hand side. Very rare to have adaptive cruise control in a standard M5 of this age. And then because it's an M5, we've got our driving shortcut mode. So you've got 2 configurable modes, M1 and M2, which you can set your settings in the screen and then just press those buttons to activate, almost like a Sport or a Sport Plus mode at the touch of a button, which is really nice. On the indicator stalk down here, you'll see our button for our automatic high beam assist, and in front of me it'll be difficult for the camera to pick up, but we do have a heads-up display which as well gives you lots and lots of information whilst you're driving along without having to look down, which is a nice touch. And then coming across to BMW's infotainment, it is touchscreen, but you've also got controls down in the centre here to control it. You've got BMW's own navigation, so if I go onto the map here, you'll see BMW's own navigation system, and then if I pop the car into reverse, I'll just close that because the door's open at the moment, but we've got a bird's eye view on the left hand side, reverse camera on the right hand side, and on this bird's eye view here you can tap these different cameras to give you different icons, and it has got gesture control as well, so you can see it's telling you can just use your hands to move around the car if you wanted to. It's very, very clever, and lots of different options there. Full park assist as well up on the left hand side there. And then if I come out of there and go back into the car settings, there's a couple more features to show you through. So obviously being an M car, you've got the setups of those M1 and M2 buttons we touched on the steering wheel, and you can see just how many controls you can change via those buttons. So really, really adjustable in terms of how you'd like the car to drive. And then also you have got ambient lighting. If we're going to the lights and going to interior lighting, you'll see we've got adjustable ambient lighting. You know, you can put it on a bright colour and turn the brightness up, and you'll see it really coming through the car. So hopefully the camera will pick it up, but it just improves the quality in here at no end. It's a really nice place to sit. And then coming down the centre, we've got our climate control buttons, and we've got this small sort of digital screen here where our heated seats are. So you've got heated front and rear seats, as we've already touched on, 4-zone climate control, wireless phone charger under here, and 2 cup holders and a USB port, which is a really nice touch. Some shortcuts for drive modes here, so you can change the engine, the suspension and the steering via 3 shortcut buttons there. BMW's M Sports exhaust system via a button there, and then you can bring up the 3D cameras with the press of a button. And again, lots of storage everywhere you look. It's a very practical car, big glove box, big door cubby bins for full size water bottles. And we'll just jump outside and summarise what a fabulous example this is. So as I touched on at the beginning, this is a 2019 on a 69 registration M5 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the Black Merino leather interior. Absolutely stunning condition. There's nothing to say about the condition of this car, with a full service history as well, and some lovely options over and above a standard M5. My name's Ben. I hope the video's helped. Thank you very much for watching.